Understanding the Eyebrow Spoolie, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a unique and interesting term, eyebrow spoolie. This phrase might be new to many of you, and our goal is to help you understand its meaning and usage in everyday English. So, let's get started and dive into the world of beauty and grooming vocabulary. An eyebrow spoolie is a tool commonly used in cosmetics and grooming. It resembles a mascara wand and consists of a small brush with a long handle. The main purpose of an eyebrow spoolie is to shape and groom eyebrows. It's often used to brush eyebrow hairs in place, blend in eyebrow pencil or powder, and even to separate eyelashes after applying mascara. Understanding such specific tools can be fascinating and adds to your English vocabulary, especially if you're interested in beauty topics. The term spoolie is believed to originate from the word spool, which refers to a cylinder around which thread or wire is wound for storage. The shape of the eyebrow spoolie brush resembles a spool, hence the name. This section highlights how understanding the origin of words can give insights into their meaning and usage. Let's put our new term into practice. Here are a few examples of how eyebrow spoolie can be used in sentences. 1. I use an eyebrow spoolie to keep my brows looking neat and tidy. 2. Can you pass me the eyebrow spoolie? I need to blend my brow pencil. 3. A good eyebrow spoolie is essential in any makeup kit. Understanding the context in which new vocabulary is used is crucial for English language learners. That's all about the eyebrow spoolie. We hope this video has been informative and has added a quirky yet useful term to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and rules, but also about understanding the culture and the specific terms used in daily life. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.